many times like that.
Exactly.
And it's never failed.
And it happened right now.
Yeah, because you touched it.
And what did I do today to get the ball?
You're telling me that you weren't like this and you didn't touch it. You're telling me that you shut the door. I didn't even hear the door shut.
No.
All I
That
heard.
was a long time ago that I told you I was standing up against the wall. And I caught
It
it when
didn't
it
just
fell.
fall off the wall.
Yeah, when I shut the door, it did.
You know what? I'm about ready to kick you down the stairs.
Okay.
You think it's funny?
No, I know I didn't.
I'll fuck you up like I did the other day.
I know I didn't touch it.
Oh, it just magically fell off the wall and broke. The whole box is broke.
Magically deleted.
You don't even fucking care. Shut up, Hickson.
Alright.
You don't even care. You don't care. You didn't even say, oh my God, I'm so sorry, Mom. Oh my God, I know that means something to you. I know that's your favorite picture. It's fucking plain and simple, don't care. As long as it ain't shit.
I'm not ready to fucking kick you down the stairs.